We have studied factors and multiples, chapter 4. Now, you know what are factors and multiples?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll study H7 LCM, chapter 5. Isn't it?
It was in second chapter. That chapter.
It was a little in second chapter, but third chapter. But now we study chapter number 5, H7 LCM. One more word from Digant's mouth. Digant, you will be out of the class. And before that I'll tell you marks to entire class. I still remember your marks. Sit down. So, let us see LCM and HCF of numbers. So, all of us know what are factors and multiples?
Yes, sir.
Wait. No, not you. Not you. Everybody is the same, isn't it? Can you see from here? Or you can come in this side? Can you see the board? Can you see the screen? Okay. The bench. What did you keep that bench empty for? That bench. Quickly. So, we did factors and multiples.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let us see what do we mean by multiples? Today we are doing chapter 5. Today we are starting chapter 5. And chapter 4, you have your entrance corner, self-practice, everything. Not much on that. Your chapter 4 is just a warm-up for chapter 5 actually. Which is LCM.
Yes, sir. When you were telling it was your internet is unstable.
Once you check with them.
Your internet is unstable. It was coming. Sir, it came notification.
Everyone sitting at home, can you hear me? Can you all hear me properly? Okay. Okay, so today we are doing chapter 5. So let us see. First of all, we learned about multiples, right? For example, what is the multiple of 3? First will be 3 into 1. 3. Then 3 into 2. 6. Then everyone can hear me? Manvit, can you hear me? Manvit can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone sitting at home can hear me, I think. Just now I asked them. Yeah. So, next 3 into 2 will be 6, then 3 into 2, 3 will be 9, isn't it? These are all multiples.
Yes, sir.
And so on, then 3 into 4, 12, 15 and so on. 18 will come. Okay. So these are all multiples, isn't it? But, now we learn about what is LCM. What is?
LCM.
LCM. These are actually multiples. But what is LCM? LCM is basically least common multiple. Who said factor? Do you see an F? Is it LCF or LCM? LCM. So it is called least common multiple. And this chapter is a very important chapter for your entrance preparation. So, without disturbing the class, sorry? First, let me write, then I'll move. Or should I make you move? Remember that day, how I made you move? You want me to move? What are you writing? Show me. What are you writing? Show me. I wrote double E. I wrote double E. Let me see yesterday's notes. Where are your yesterday's notes, Digal? Where are your yesterday's notes? This is on the okay. Where is the division algorithm? Where is the division algorithm? This. Question A, can you read this page? Read it. Question A, read it. Huh? What? Read at least a word at least. What QU? Can't even spell the word. And he wants me to move. He wants me to move because he wants to copy down something which can't even someone from his class read. Diga? कैमरा का लेंस खोलो, लेंस बंद करो. So LCM is what? Least common multiple. L for least, C for common, and M for multiple. So these are least common multiple. Now we know what is a multiple, isn't it? We have studied multiples in the previous chapter. But look at this word, common. When does the word common come into your perspective? When does the word common come? When you have more than two things. When you have two or more things, isn't it? When you have two or more things. Can you say what is common in Digant? Only one person.
Yes, sir. No. No, sir.
Yes, sir. When I ask you what is common in Digant, what does it mean? Does that have any meaning?
No, sir.
Common in Digant, only one person. No. But if I ask what is common in Digant and Rakshit,
No.
then you can say, yeah, there is a meaning, something common between them. They are so naughty, isn't it? If I go and ask Rakshit something, you won't be able to answer. Right? Rakshit, are you paying attention? Why are you sitting in the last bench? You are a new student, isn't it? And the first thing that comes to your mind is to sit in the last bench, right? Very good. So what does the word common? When does the word common come? When you have two or more things, right? Dutta? When you have two or more things, Samat? I am speaking, isn't it? You want to operate the camera? You are not operating them. One Bhaiya is operating that, right? Look at the screen, look at the book. So, common means something between two or more things. Come, you are so early for the class to get over, isn't it?
Sir.
You are 45 minutes early for the end of the class. What happened? Emma, what happened?
Sir, I cannot.
That bit is empty. Can you see that? Follow. Okay. So when does the common come into place?
Sir,
When you have two or more things, right? So obviously, when we will be trying to find the least common multiple LCM, we will consider two or more numbers. Two or more numbers. Exactly. For example, if I take the number 2, what will be the multiples of 2? 2 into 1? 2 into 2? 4. Yes, 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 5, 10. And so on. Isn't it? Let me write more. Here 15, 18, 21 and so on. Here after 10 we'll get 12.
14, 16, 18, 20.
And so on. So now we have written all the multiples. We have written all the multiples for 3 and 2.
Yes, sir.
Now we will find what are the common between them, isn't it? What are the common multiples between them?
6, 12,
Wait,
18,
yeah.
6,
First one, 3, 2, not common. 6 is common.
6 is common.
After that, check. 12 is common, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then you can find 18 will be common here.
Yes, sir.
Right? You'll find 18 will be common here.
Yes, sir.
So these are your common multiples.
Yes, sir.
And out of them you have to find the least. What do you mean by least?
Sir, the least.
This figure has been at you for the last 4 or 5 seconds. What do you mean by least? Your name was? Sanvi. Are you Sanvi? Why are you raising your hand? Sanvi, what do you mean by least? Least means? Least means? Last. Least has an extra E. This doesn't mean last. What does least mean? Least means lowest. Lowest, isn't it? Least means? You know what is lowest? Lowest, highest,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Least means lowest, isn't it? Least means?
Lowest.
Least means?
Lowest.
So, which is the lowest among all these common multiples?
Six.
Samri, among all these common multiples, which is the lowest?
6.
6, isn't it? The common multiples are 6, 12 and 18. So which is the lowest among all of them?
6.
6. So what is the LCM of 3 and 2?
6.
6. So the LCM of 3 and 2 will be 6. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is the concept of LCM clear?
Yes, sir.
You can similarly find the LCM of more than 2 numbers as well.
Yes, sir.
Is the concept clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt? I'm asking again and again.
No, sir.
Do you have any doubt? And by the way, third bench, where are your copies? You don't need copies? Where are your copies? Where is your pen? Where is your pen? Pen, P-E-N, pen. Not brought. Pencil? Marker? Anything? No. Where is your copy? Anything to write on? Nothing. This is what class is this? Maths class, isn't it? Is it a reading class? No, right? It's a maths class. How do you do maths? With pen and paper? Where is the pen and copy? What is your name? Badrinath. Do you know how much you got Badrinath in your test? Did you get a test paper? No, you'll get on Saturday. I still remember your marks, Badrinath. Sit down. What about you? Where was this copy before? So, everybody understood how to find the LCM?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt? I'm asking again and again. Okay. Very easy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, there are 2 methods of finding LCM. I'm erasing the board. Okay, Digant? I'm erasing the board. There are 2 methods of finding the LCM. We are at chapter number 5, page number 33.
Sir, one is division and another prime.
Yes. The 2 methods of finding LCM are two methods for finding LCM are. Number 1 is prime factorization method. Number 1 is
Prime factorization method.
prime factorization method. Number 2 is division method. Okay. So now,
So, side please. Side.
but other than these methods, we have another method, the one we used for finding LCM just now. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
First of all, just now we found the LCM of 3 and 2. How did we find that?
Sir,
Just by simply writing the multiples, isn't it? But that is not actually always possible.
Yes, sir.
Since we had small numbers like 3 and 2, so we could easily write the multiples and see the common one, isn't it? But if they are big numbers,
Sir, I can't do prime
will it be easy? No.
sir.
It won't be easy, right?
Sir.
If I tell you to find the LCM of 21 and 41, will it be easy to do it in that way? No.
sir.
So, we'll have 2 methods which will make it easy for us to find the LCM. Okay? First is a prime factorization method and second is a
Division.
division method. Now let us see. Let us see what? How to find the LCM with the help of prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay? So now, let us take an example. Find the LCM of
54 and 21.
In your book it is given. Let us take that example only. It will be easier for you to understand. Find the LCM of 54 and 21, isn't it? 54 and 21. So, in prime factorization method, what will we do? First, we'll write the numbers as product of their prime factors. What will you do? Prime factors. How do we find the prime factors? Do you remember? 54. How to find the prime factors? Is it divisible by the lowest prime number 2? Start with the lowest prime number, isn't it? The lowest is 2. So if you divide it by 2, you will get quotient. Then 27, can you divide by 2? 3. 3 into 9. Then again 3. Then 3 1. That's it. So these are your prime factors. These are the prime factors. So I can write 54 as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Can I write it? Now, what about 21? You got? What about 21? Do 21 and tell me. Write the prime factors of 21 and tell me. Digam doesn't have a book also, so I don't know what is it. Let me see what Digam does. Write it here, write it, Digam. Write 21 is product of prime factors, write it. Write it. Do it. Let it come there. Any number. Which number? 50%. Huh? 54. How to write the prime factors? Everyone is shouting 3 to 7, 3 to 7. Still, you cannot write the prime factors. Why, Digan? Huh? Why, Digan? COVID-19, coronavirus, so let us not study, isn't it? Online exams. Everybody passed with flying colors. Right. And then when corona is gone, now everybody's true colors are out. What happened, Digan? How to write prime factors, you know? You don't know? Let us see. I just wrote for 54. Did you listen? Then why can't you write for 21? Because you didn't listen. You were shouting. So 2 into 3, 6, 6, 6. What is 6 coming here? Anything is coming here with 6? No. Mathematics is fun. It's good to take fun in mathematics. But what? Take fun in the right way. Isn't it? By learning. Everyone sitting at home, I'd kindly like to remind you that if the meeting suddenly ends, then quickly join it. So, careful. So, we did for 54, let us do for 21. How to do for 21? Yes, slowly. Slowly, I am telling you. I will tell it just one last time, especially for Digant and others. Those who are unable to do it. Say, the number is 21. You have to find the prime factors. Which is, you have to start with the smallest prime number. Which is the smallest prime number, Digant? 3. There is no other number smaller than 3. Everyone stay quiet. 1. 1 is a prime number. When I taught the chapter of prime numbers was in chapter 2, isn't it? Whole numbers? First chapter. Number and numeric system. Very good. You are present in each of those classes? And if you didn't understand, why didn't you ask me? Forgot to ask. Very good. So, which is the smallest prime number? Because I discussed everything regarding prime numbers. Great, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, even second chapter and third chapter you discussed, sir.
I discussed everything regarding
Yes,
prime
sir.
number. So, because which is the smallest prime number? Is 1 a prime number?
No, sir. No, sir.
Is 1 a prime number?
No, sir.
Then which is the smallest prime number? Digan? Huh?
Sir.
Your name is Digan? Your name is Digan? Sir. I am not a prime number. Which is the smallest prime number, Digan? Okay. Can you divide 21 by 2? Exactly? Can you divide 21 exactly by 2? You can divide. Okay. I did divisibility chapter also, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3. Dheeraj is laughing very nicely, isn't it? Dheeraj? Dheeraj is so happy. Tomorrow I will make you sit here and we will discuss the same way, okay? So, tell me, Dheeraj? 2 2s are 4, everybody knows that. But can you, my question is, can you divide 21 exactly by 2? Can you divide 21 exactly by 2?
No, sir.
Why can't you divide it, Digan? Okay, so 2 is less, 21 is more, so you cannot divide. So if 2 was big, then you could have divided. Very foundation of division is out of the. Huh? Why can't you divide 21 by 2? Huh? No, 21 is so big, that is why you cannot divide. Wow. Then what can you divide 21 by? So, Digan, thank you so much for enlightening us. Digan, how much time do you study at home? After how much time do you study at home? How much time do you study at home? Yeah, after going home only I'm asking you. How much time do you study? 7 to 8. Okay, 1 hour. What do you study for that 1 hour? What I teach in the class? I've taught prime numbers, divisibility by 2, 3, everything. Digan, no? What have we used, Samar? 21. Can we divide? When we have to find the prime factors, of 21, we'll start with the smallest prime number and check. Which is the smallest prime number? 2. Can we divide 21 by 2? No. Why we cannot divide? Because 21 is an odd number. 21 ends with 1. Isn't it? It is an odd number, it is not divisible by 2. The next prime number after 2 is 3. Can you divide 21 by 3?
Yes, sir.
Why can you divide 21 by 3? Because sum of digits in 21, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, which is divisible by 3. So I can divide 21 by 3. And what will you get after dividing? What will be the quotient, Digan? Divide 21 by 3 and tell me, do a division. Do a division. You know how to do division? I know you know, Mandir. Do a division. Everybody has already told the answer. No need to raise their hand anymore. Do the division. This is how you do division. How do you do division? How do you do division? Do. First version is what? What happened to you?
Sir, in evening there is lie and a face. No, sir. It's telling lie. 36.
What is it? 36. 3 years. Which class are you in, Digan? Fifth. Fifth, no? Third, fourth, seventh, 4, 4 minus, what? Everybody knows the answer. No need to. If you divide 21 by 3, then you will get the quotient as 7. Next, 7 is a prime number itself. 7 was a 7. So, what can I write? 21 is 3 into 7, isn't it? These are the prime factors. We don't need to write 1 because 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime factor. So, this is your 3 into 7, 21. So, now, you have to find the what? Least common multiple. You have to find what?
Least common multiple.
Least common multiple, LCM, isn't it? Huh? How will you find the LCM?
Sir, by finding the least number.
See, now, very carefully, you have to find the LCM of 54 and 21. Now, what will be the LCM of 54 and 21? See, here, you have to check the prime numbers, the prime factors that we have written. For 54 we have written 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 21 is 3 into 7. Now, Mr. What is your name? Huh? Advik. I remember your marks as well, Advik. You want me to tell your marks out loud? Huh? You don't want, right? Then why you are looking there? Am I writing there? Am I writing there? What is your name? Huh? Aditya. Very good. So, is the board there? On the glass? Where is the board? Here, right? There is the board. Did you guys do your homework? Did you do the homework yesterday I gave you? Did the homework? Show me where did you do the homework? You did it in your copy which you left at home, isn't it? We forgot the copy at home. Very common excuse, right? Huh? This is the homework. You have done all of them. You have an exam, that's one. Very good. Very good. Very good. Nobody does the homework, nobody does anything. Huh? Do your parents ask you, what did you learn in the class?
Yes, sir.
What did you say? What do you say?
Sir,
Chapter name only, okay. Then, okay. Then after that, do they ask you? Tell me what did you study in the chapter?
Yes. Do all questions.
They ask you what is said in the chapter.
Yes, sir.
Then after coming here, why are you unable to tell me? Whatever I am asking you from the previous chapter. Digan? Your parents ask you? What do they ask you? Huh? What? What? Enter? What? What? Enter? Illa? What? Meeting has ended, then I'll join again. Isn't it? Digant is laughing, everyone is laughing. Everyone can laugh. We all have mouth, we all can laugh, isn't it? Isn't it? But will laughing help you pass the exam, Adina? Adina, will laughing help you pass the exam? Where did this copy come from now? Whose copy is this? Is it not physical copy? Where did you get this copy from now? At that time, where was the copy of pen? You gave me the pen, right? This is your pen. What is your pen now? What is it doing inside the pencil box? Good evening, everyone. I am sharing the screen. Just a minute, I am sharing the screen. If I don't mute you all will be shouting at the same time, okay? And I will not be able to teach you. I will not be able to teach anything. Okay? So we are doing LCM here. Everyone can hear me? Can everyone sitting at home can hear me? Everyone sitting at home can hear me? Can you hear me? Everyone sitting at home? Okay. So now let us see. Now let us see how to find the LCM from here. Okay. How to find the LCM from here? We wrote down the prime factors. Rakshit, what's the name? Your name. Vedraj. Isn't it? Very good. How to find the LCM from here? Vedraj, what will be the LCM from here? Tell me. What will be the LCM? Can you tell me? Whether it's Vedraj? V for question, right? Not for Vedraj. What will be the LCM now? Now we will look how many times have the prime factors appeared for the maximum number. Radhika? Okay. How many maximum number of times have the prime factors appeared in the number? In these two, just a second. In these two, how many twos can you see? Here only one two. So the LCM will have only one two. Okay. LCM will have only one two. Okay. Next, into. Now how many threes do you see? No, not four. Here, not four. Everyone. What is the name? What is the name there? Huh? So now here 3 is appearing how many times?
3
And here 3 is appearing how many times? Only one time. You don't need to count, you don't need to add them, okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't tell 4. Here 3 is appearing how many times? Again 3 times. And here which is more, 1 or 3? So we will write 3 times.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Or think about it in this way. Think about it in this way. These two have written cross. Between these 3 are common, isn't it? These three gone. So we write these 3. Remaining these 2 threes. 3, 3, 3, 3. Is it clear? How to write the LCM? I am again showing you. Here, first we write this, we cut this 2, we write this 2, okay? We wrote this 2, we cut it. Now between 21 and 54, we are finding LCM. What is the full form of LCM? Least common multiple. Focus on the word common. Focus on the word common. Only 1, 2 is common, we wrote. No 2 is common, this 1, 2 is there, we wrote it. Now between these two numbers, I can see that 3 is common here. I'll take this common 3 together and write it only once. Whatever common you will find, write them only once. In LCM, remember all the common you will write how many times? Only one time, exactly. And then these three has anything common here? No. Still we'll write these three only once. This one also will write only once and remaining 7. Okay. If you find any number common, write them only once in LCM. So this will be your LCM. Now calculate the LCM and tell me the answer.
378.
This will come out to be 378.
Yes.
378.
Yes, sir.
No, this will not come out to be 378. This will not come out to be 378. Yes, this will come out to be 378. Correct. 54 into 7, yeah. 378. Okay? This is how we find the LCM using prime factorization. Okay? I'm clearing the board now. You can find it in your book only. Okay? Who said 1 minute? Okay. Now let us find the LCM again between 22 and
14.
not 22. Let us find the LCM between 16 and 20. 16 and
20.
so how can we prime factorize 16? Is 16 divisible by 2? The smallest prime number? Yes. Then again by 2, 8 goes 4. Again 4. We know how to write this.
Yes, sir.
So 16 will be what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, isn't it? Now let us write for 20. What will be 20? Can you divide 20 by 2? 2 tens are, then 2 and then 5 ones. This 20? 2 into 2 into 5. So what will be your LCM now? Now again see in our LCM here this time. What will we write? We can see these two are common, isn't it? One common 2, another common 2. Together we'll write them only once. Together we'll write them only once only, one time. Again another 2 is common. We'll write them only once. Any other thing is common? No. So remaining things we'll write them down 2 to 5. Okay. 2 to 5. The answer will come out to be 80. This is the LCM of 16 and 20. What is the LCM of 16 and 20?
80.
What is the LCM of 16 and 20?
80.
Huh? 80. How 80? By which method? By which method? Huh? Multiplication. The name of the method is multiplication, right? What is the name of the method?
Prime factorization.
Can I ask you? What is the name of the method? Prime factors. What is the name of the method? Okay, what is the LCM of 16 and 20? Huh? Doing. Just now I did on the book. You go to washroom. You change that from the washroom to washroom. So, your LCM is 80.
80.
Is it clear? Prime factorization method? Anybody has any doubt in this method? Huh? No. Sure. Very easy. Okay. Now everybody write a question for homework. Calm down, quiet everyone. Everybody write your question for homework. I am giving the questions. Your homework questions are: find the LCM by prime factorization method. Find the LCM by prime factorization method. S or Z? S only there written, no? British English. British English. In American English, they write Z. Tell me. Your pen? Where? Achha, and what have you been writing with now? You can go over. Whose pen is this bigger?
He's not giving me my pen. He's my pen is to Hey, it is mine now. Hey, no, sir. No, sir. No, sir. It is mine, sir. Sir, this is mine. Here is my sir. This is mine. It is mine. It's mine, sir. That's it, sir.
Sit down now.
Give my pen. I know. Sir said.
Find the LCM by Samad. Take another pen. Find the LCM by prime factorization method. Quickly, quickly. Write down your questions. These are your homework. So these are your homeworks. Quickly write it down. Try it at home. Now we'll have a doubt session. This prime factorization. Just now, what did I teach you? Show the doubt. Everybody wrote the questions for homework?
Yes, sir.
I'm clearing the board.
Yes, sir.
Now we have a doubt here. We have started a doubt session. This is from yesterday's homework, chapter number 4. Self-practice Page number 32. Question number? Question number? Question number? Question number? 9. What are you doing? This is your problem and you are looking at Digan. Huh? This is your problem and you are looking at Digan. What happened? Who beat you? Somebody beat you? What happened? Are you okay? So, question number 9. Multiple of first 3, multiple of 4. Multiple of first 3, multiple of 4. What do you mean by multiple of first 3, multiple of 4? First, what are the first 3 multiples of 4? 8. 4 into 1? 4. 4 into 2? 8. And 4 into 3? So these are the first 3 multiples of 4. These are the first 3 multiples of 4. And what is the multiple? Just multiplying it. So your answer should be 4 into 8 into 12. So the answer should come out to be 384. Okay. Okay. Actually, what was your doubt? Second one. Self-practice, same one. Second one. We have another doubt here. We have another doubt here. Same chapter 4, self-practice, page 32. This time question number 2. Question number 2. The number of multiples of 3 between 18 and 54 is. We did this kind of question in the class. Between 18 and 54. Where is the book, Digan? Book. You got this book, right? You have this book with you. You forgot to bring it. You are coming to this class and you forgot to bring the book only. What award should I give you, Mr. Digan? Tell your parents to meet with me tomorrow. How do you go home? Bike. Who takes you home? Your mother. She'll come to pick you up. Now after class, tell her to meet me. Okay? Very good. So 18 and 54. Number of multiples. Varshini? Number of multiples of 3 between 18 and 54. Why is the pen and copy? Varshini? When you ask your doubt, why is it closed? So 18 and 54, number of multiples between them, isn't it? Is 18 a multiple of 3? Yes, it is. It is 3 into 6. Is 54 a multiple of 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is. It is 3 into 18. If you divide 54 by 3, you will say it is exactly divisible 3 into 18.
Yes, sir.
Someone? What is 3 into 18? That is what happens when you don't look at the board, isn't it? When it is written right in front of your face. 3 into 18, 54, right? Now you have to find number of multiples between these two. Between 3 into 6 and 3 into 18. Which will be those multiples? 3 into 7, 3 into 8, and 3 into 9, up to 3 into 17. All these, isn't it? Okay. Count them. How many?
11, sir.
11. How many?
11.
11. That is your answer. Option number 1. Here. We'll take one doubt from the online students now. Yes, Yashas, what doubt do you have? Tell me. Yashas? Yashas, you can unmute and ask your doubt. Yashas, why did you raise your hand? What doubt do you have? Sorry, sir. I can understand you. Understand you. I don't know Kannada. Can you kindly tell in English or Hindi? Okay, sir. Sir, I'll look into this. I have been trying to keep it as going as smoothly as possible. But right now, does Yashas have any? Okay, sir. I'll look into that. Right now, does Yashas have any doubt? Any doubt to ask? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. We'll look into that. Yes. Yes, Madhu. Yes, in third chapter. Third chapter, which question? Third chapter, which one? Division of fraction. Okay. So see, Madhu, division of fraction. Let me clear the board. Third chapter, division of fractions, right? Division of fractions actually is like this. See, just a second. If I have two fractions, suppose I want to divide 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 divided by 6 by 7. Okay? 2 by 3 divided by 6 by 7. So, what will I do?
Reciprocal.
We don't actually know directly how to divide, but we know how to convert division into multiplication. Okay? Madhu, we will do division of fractions by converting the division into multiplication. Okay? So how do we convert it? We will write the first fraction 2 by 3 as it is. But when we convert it into multiplication, the second fraction 6 by 7 will take its reciprocal, okay, which will be 7 by 6. Okay, which will be 7 by 6. Okay, did you understand, Madhu? Madhu, did you understand? So now can you multiply these two fractions? How to multiply these two fractions? Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator, isn't it? Okay, Madhu. So numerator by denominator into denominator. Now see, can you cancel? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So the final answer will be 7 by 9. Okay? Understood, Madhu? Okay. So that will be all for today. Okay? Monday, I'll play it tomorrow. And well, that's all. Tomorrow also.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Everyone at home, that will be also today, okay? Bye bye, take care.